Chuck, I'm bored. I haven't been guarding the eggs ever since then. Well, what shall we do then? We can't even defeat the pigs while we're bored. Come by that again, Chuck. Board games. That's right. We'll play board games. That's a great idea, Chuck. We need to find two friends first. But where can we find them? Oh, you must be, what's her name again? Oh, Pearly. Nice to meet you, Pearly. And I see you brought your friend Hyro, too. How would you two like to play a little board game with us? Then let's go. Alright, Chuck. I have to play my turn first. Then you go next. Then Pearly, then Hyro. Got it? Good. Now let's get playing. Checkpoint! I got a score. Another winner for me. Now, Chuck, if you lose this one, you lose. And if you win, you win. I know that laugh anywhere. I know that laugh anywhere. It's King Pig. What are you doing in here trying to take the eggs, King Pig? Oh no, I can't let you get away with this. Come on, Chuck, Burley, and Hyro, let's get 'em. Have some of this and this. That's what you get, King Pig. Go away and never come back to this island with your swineness. Well, Chuck, looks like the eggs are safe again. And thanks to you two, we were able to get them back. Say, you want to play some more board games again? It would be an honor to let you join.